What's up, guys? Welcome back to Canary Capital Rentals. My name is David. I am launching a 360 video booth business, and I want you guys to join me on the journey. If you want to do the same thing, this is a perfect channel for you. If you are launching a business for somebody, this is a good channel for you. If you are an entrepreneur and you have that go get it fluid spirit inside you, this is also the perfect place to be at. My name is David, and today I'm going to share a video with you guys that I think is extremely important, and not a lot of people are diving into this concept. And the concept is introduce yourself to your potential clients. Introduce yourself to all of your prospects. I'll tell you why. If you go to a dealership and you're in the market for a car, you're not going to buy a car from a salesman you don't like. You're not going to buy a home from a real estate agent who you just don't trust. You don't feel it. You ain't feeling his vibe, right? So you definitely want to introduce yourself to your potential clients that are going to be spending hundreds of dollars in whatever product or service you're going to be providing. They have to trust you. They have to see who you are. They have to like you in order to buy from you. So here's a quick clip I put together, and I'm going to go ahead and upload this to my website so that people can know who David is. All right, let's go. Let me show you. Hello guys, before you book, I just wanted to introduce myself really quick. My name is David Rodriguez, and I was born and raised here in California. I'm the proud owner of Canary Capital Rentals, a small 360 video booth business that started in early 2022. We are new, but we are here and we are ready to serve you. Most of my background has been in customer service. I was a concierge as well, and it's just been a great journey. And you know what? I just love getting content of people having a good time. So I hope that you book us for your next event. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'll personally answer those phone calls and we can have a conversation. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Peace. So you see, the video was less than a minute long. I told people who I am, where I was born and raised. They get to see your personality, your facial area, just your vibe. And if they like you, they like you. And if they don't, they don't. And that's the beautiful thing, is that everybody has a different taste when it comes to this life, right? Some people like grapes that are green grapes. Some people like purple grapes, So it is what it is. So if you're likable, you're going to be likable. This is why this is very interesting, because sometimes you ask someone, hey, what did you think of that car? And they're going to tell you like, it's alright. And then you tell somebody else, hey, ask somebody else, by the way, what do you think of that car? That car's sick. That car's dope. Everybody has different tastes. All right. So if you got value out of this, hit the like button. Remember, you got to tell the algorithm that we good. We're family. We're here to stay, and we're going to keep on creating and producing content every day. So subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for subscribing. I got like a total of 9 subscribers now. So little by little, baby. Little by little. Peace.